What's up guys, my name is Spencer, and if you're new around here, this is my 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma beside me, and I'm super excited to introduce to you guys version 2. We're calling it the Combat Green Tacoma build. I'm so incredibly stoked that the truck looks the way it looks. First and foremost, the most obvious is that the entire truck's been color changed with a colored paint protection film from a company called Projectx60. Similar to that most people use on the front end of the vehicle to protect from rock chips, mixed with colored film. So you get a colored paint protection film that not only protects your paint, but it also gives you the ability to change the color. And we went from cement gray to combat green with black accents all around. There's black accents on the door handles, and then we of course have the black fenders. We chopped the entire front bumper off and did the front high clearance bumper. This is from Greenlane off-road. Did a bit of configuring with the Diodynamics SS3s and SS2 lights, but overall the truck looks so tech and so adventure ready. If you know me, this really suits my personality for like the weekend adventure vibes. So this transformation to the truck has made it feel like a brand new truck again, and it just looks absolutely incredible. So there's been a few other big updates and changes on the truck. It's now sitting on completely different suspension. Previously on the Dobinson's MRRs at a 2-inch lift. Those sprung a leak a few months ago, another topic for a separate video. But the truck's now sitting on Elka suspension with the remote reservoirs, and we were able to lift it up to the 3 inches. And then I put the 600-pound rear leaf springs that really levels it out because there was a little bit of sag initially. The wheels changed, that was in my last video, the black Rhino Shoguns, they look amazing. But I'm still running the 285 75/16 General Grabber ATX tires that I love. To finish off the front, we also did the full Greenlane skid plate, as well as the lower control arm skid plates, giving like full front end protection. The last piece to the puzzle is just a winch that's gonna go in behind that bumper, and I have it, but we just have to get it installed. The finishing touch was really just completing the Morimoto set. So I have the Sequential Morimoto headlights. I picked up the Morimoto Sequential taillights from ProLights, and they look absolutely amazing with the Sequential matches everything now front to back. Also, my SPC upper control arms failed not once but twice in the last 4 months. I replaced it for a second time under warranty. I'm not 100% sure about those upper control arms. It's now made me nervous, but we'll see how they go. Maybe that'll be another topic for a video. So that's the big version 2 update of the Tacoma build. Driving it around has just been amazing. The new suspension setup feels amazing. I didn't think it could get honestly that much better, but it is significantly better. I think the rear leaf springs, the 600 pounds made a big difference too. And if I ever go with more weight on the back, I think there's opportunity to go even higher to the 800-pound springs. But overall, the ride quality is really amazing. And then when you step out and you see how it looks, complete transformation, completely different color. The rooftop tent's back on. We were out in Revelstoke on our road trip for the midnight Revup shows in Vancouver. The truck just looks amazing. Everything's dialed in. More on that to come. Stay tuned. I hope to pick up some momentum back on the channel, get into like a weekly video routine with a little bit of behind the scenes of the Tacoma and the adventures. In the winter time, love snowboarding, so hopefully sharing some content on that. I've got the studded Grabber ATXs that are gonna go on for the winter. I've been keeping pretty busy with my friends up at Posh Auto Care. This is the newest release. The paint finish works really good as a drying aid, but also just as a touch-up kind of detailer when you're at the shows, and it smells amazing. Easily the best I've ever smelt from a detailer like this. And then the anti-insect from all the trips that we've been out. The front end gets absolutely covered in bugs. Now this front bumper gets covered in bugs. Super easy. Blast this stuff on, let it sit for like 30 seconds even. Rinses right off. And then any of the stubborn ones, there's a really nice Posh Auto Care wash mitt that has a mesh on the back, and it just like picks up those little bugs. So if you guys want to check that out, I have a link down below in the description. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.